Hello my fashion friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So you guys that know me by now, I subscribe to the school of thought of you don't have to spend a lot to look great. You can look great on a budget without spending $1,000,000. So for this video I want to show you guys some really cool dope outfits that are under $150. The entire outfit is under $150 just to prove to you guys you can look great without spending all your money. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so here is outfit number one. Very easy, really simple, really beautiful. I love this outfit. It's a great casual outfit just to go out. It's really nice. So for the top half is just a white long sleeve kind of knit sweater here that I got from Forever 21. It was like $7. And then the duster coat on top of that is from Agassi at the mall. This was $26, I believe. It's just kind of a long line duster here. It's really nice and flowy. I love it. I just love the way it looks. And then the jeans are my high-waisted jeans that I got from Monotiques. They are a medium to light wash jean, high-waisted with some paint splatter detail, gradient effect, and a minimal distressing. Really nice, really casual. And then the shoes I got from Go Jane. These were $22, I believe. Some red pointed toe pumps. So all in all, this outfit is under $150 and I look great. I look beautiful and I'm not trying too hard, and it's just a really easy outfit that is very affordable. Okay, so here is the second outfit. I've got some more layering going on. I just threw on a jumpsuit really quick. So for the top half, this black sweater is the same as the white one from the first outfit, but this is just in the color black from Forever 21. This was $7. And then the jumpsuit, obviously it's just this right here, so I just added the sweater for some layered effect. But here is just the jumpsuit right here. This was, I think it was $35 from Agassi at the mall. And then I just paired it with my slim gold belt, just a cinching at the waist. Now this jumpsuit did come with its own black belt. As you can see, it has belt loops, but I did not want to use the belt it came with, so I just paired it with my gold belt instead. This gold belt, once again, as well, is from Agassi. This was, I think this was $10. And then my shoes, I got these from Go Jane a while ago. These shoes were $20. You can't really see the shoes because the pants are so long, but I really love this jumpsuit outfit idea. It's just really simple. Throw it on, two little pieces, and then you're out the door. I think it's really pretty. It's really comfortable too. Really flowy. Great for a nice little outing, a nice little event, you know, to kind of dress it up a little bit. So yeah, so here it is, the jumpsuit right here. And I got this a while ago, so they probably don't have it in stores anymore, but you can definitely go check them out. They always have similar things like this, but this exact one, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be available anymore, but just keep checking back. They always have things like this there. So anyway, so I picked this up. Another really easy, affordable outfit that looks great without having to spend all your paycheck. All right, let's get on to the next outfit. Okay, so here is the third and final outfit. Just really easy, really affordable, very simple. So the top half is just kind of a turtleneck, high neck, long sleeve shirt right here in a maroon burgundy color. I got this from Ross. This was, I think it was $8. And then the skirt is just a high-waisted mini skirt, midi skirt that I got from Boohoo a few years ago. This skirt was like $10. And then this belt actually came from another set of pants that I bought from Agassi before, so I guess the belt would be like $1. I mean, I don't know. Very inexpensive. And then the shoes here are my strappy sandals here in a olive color here with the 3 straps. These shoes were about $15, I believe. Very inexpensive. But everything put together just looks really high end. It looks really rich. But like I said, I really did not spend that much money. Everything here is so affordable, very easy to do. I always tell you guys every single time that you don't have to spend a lot of money to look like a lot of money. So hopefully these were just some really good outfit inspiration for you guys. I'm always getting asked about the stores I shop at. It's the same stores every single time: Ross, Forever 21, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Agassi, some other stores at the mall, some local boutiques. I just find that they have everything I need. I mean, I don't feel like I need to branch out to a more expensive store that I can get the exact same thing for cheaper. That's just me. I mean, I know you guys probably get bored of me saying the same stores every single time, but I mean, they work for me. They have everything I need at such an affordable price. So, I mean, why would you go anywhere else? I mean, I may venture off to H&M sometimes, Zara, Target, maybe even Nordstrom from time to time, but I have my go-to anchor stores, and I love those stores. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you found that you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I sure would love to have you join our fashion family. I do a lot of fashion and styling videos on my channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please come back in a timely fashion.